So, once again, we got up early, decided we would beat the tourists. Hello. Make our way into the bamboo forest. Might have got a little ahead of ourselves on that one. This is not an intro to like a scary part of the vlog or anything. The bamboo forest. We thought we would beat all the crowds, and well, we kind of did that, but it's pitch black. Although there are tons of photographers who are already here kind of staking out their spot. It's 6 in the morning, bamboo forest. So finally we got some light we can work with. Bamboo grove, bamboo forest, Arashiyama is what it's called. Arashiyama. You've seen the pictures all over Instagram and Pinterest, and it's Sunday morning, 7 a.m. now. Imagine what this place will be like at noon. By the way, it's also a lot shorter than we anticipated. We read it was small, but did not anticipate just how small the pathway is. We'll strap on the GoPro, go for a little walk. I'm actually hesitant to see if a time warp will actually take because the walk is so quick. Anyway, we'll head on through so that you can see what it's like just after 7 o'clock, bamboo forest, Kyoto.